Want to build a full-stack app and make money from it using Manus AI? Here's the simple beginner-friendly process. Start by choosing a simple app idea that solves a problem, like a task tracker, AI tool, booking system, or content app. Then open Manus AI and describe the app you want to build, including features, pages, and design style. Next, use Manus AI to help generate the front-end layout, backend logic, database structure, and basic workflows step by step. Instead of coding everything manually, Manus AI can organize and simplify the development process for you. After that, test the app and improve the design, features, and user experience. Once the app works properly, connect a payment system like subscriptions, premium features, or one-time purchases so users can pay for access. Finally, launch the app online and promote it using social media, videos, or content marketing to attract users and start monetizing it over time. Now you know the simple process for building and monetizing a full-stack app using Manus AI to speed up development and automate parts of the workflow.